Hey everyone, I'm doing my shocks on my 14 Raptor. What I was running into on the other side was these upper control arm ball joints that would just spin. One thing that I found that helps with this, and let me just grab the tool here, just a simple adjustable wrench of any kind, pipe wrench or what have you. Put it on the end here and you can see that if you focus, you can grip onto that, right? So you take this, you just lock it in and you can spin the nut on. Now another thing that wasn't covered in the Forged Off-Road video that I looked at, they suggested you use a pry bar to get the shock in place. Now I don't happen to have a pry bar large enough to do the job, so what I found was simply disconnecting the sway bar, using the same trick as I used for the ball joint, just to hold the top of the stud here. Then you can undo the nut and that will undo the sway bar. Now when you disconnect the sway bar, it just gives you that little bit of extra play that you can push the lower control arm down and get the shock in there or out of there or whatever you need to do. So hope this is useful to anyone. Thanks.